Hey reseller besties, I am back with another reseller real talk video, and today's topic is make money every day as a reseller. If you want to hear my 5 tips to make money every day, hit that like button and let's get into it.
We hustle hard, second green, living out the dream. From clothes and kicks, we got that vintage flair. You name it, we got it. All the styles you want to wear. Started small, now we grow. Watch the empire rise, flipping churches, catching eyes.
Welcome in, reseller besties. And today I have another episode of Reseller Real Talk where I recap the topic that I talk about in my TikTok live. So if you want to catch me live daily, it's from 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern on the TikTok platform, as well as on Facebook. It's 3 Queens Resell on Facebook and Queen Energy 3 on TikTok. But if you don't have time to catch me early in the morning, you can always do the rewatch where I go over the tips that I share with my reseller besties online. If you want to grow as a reseller and want to support me and like reselling content, make sure you click that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So if you want to make money every day as a reseller, you need to do money-making activities every day, not just the fun part of reselling, which is the sourcing. Here are 5 daily things that I do each day to keep the sales coming in. Number 1, I list new inventory every single day. So you can't sell items if they're not listed. Some of us are sourcing every single day, but not listing every single day. That's how we end up with those death piles of clothes. So even if it's just 3 to 5 items a day, list consistently. I believe, I don't know, but I believe that the algorithm likes to be fed daily instead of one big meal once a week or once a month. So give it a few listings every day and keep it happy. If you do not have something new to list, then what you should do is just search your house, because I bet you do. Go in that coat closet. That is the honey spot. I can always find a coat or a backpack that nobody's used in years. So check around your house. I'm sure you can find something to list. Second tip that I have is send offers daily. Now, this took me years to get a handle on. Don't wait for the buyer to make the first move. Send offers to likers, offers to watchers, respond on Depop to offers. And one of the ladies told me in the live this week that on Depop, if you've ever had somebody where you accepted their offer and then you never heard from them again, turns out that the buyer does not get a message that their offer has been accepted automatically on Depop. So what she has been doing is once she accepts the offer or counters the offer, she messages the buyer directly. I haven't tried this yet. I'm going to start trying it this week, and I'll report back and let you know if it's successful. But send those offers daily. A slightly smaller profit today is better than no profit at all, okay? Hanging on to something for an extra $5 is really costing you in the long run, because in the time that you accept that offer, you're going to source more items with the profit and grow your business exponentially while you're waiting for that one piece to sell. Step 3 or tip 3 is to relist that stale inventory. If an item has been sitting 90 to 100 days and it's in season, give it a fresh start. Update the title, improve the photos, try the AI stock photos. I just uploaded a video on how to do that. You can check this playlist to see that video, and refresh the description and relist it as a brand new item. It'll reinvigorate the algorithm. It will count it as a new item, and it will put fresh eyes on it. Number 4 is source with intention. Now, if you have a death pile, money pile, security pile, whatever pile you want to call them, I don't recommend sourcing. when we source with intention, that means we're ready to list those things. So don't buy everything you find and don't list everything that you're given. Look for items with low cost of goods, with strong sell-through rate, or super unique. It might be a unique kitsch item that will sell for a good amount of money. You've just got to have the space and the time to sit on it, that are going to list for at least $20 profit potential. Doesn't mean it has to sell for a profit $20, but it has the potential to. So when you're thinking about that, you want to pick up things that you can list for that 25 to 30 price point, to get to that $20, because you've got to back out your cost of goods as well as platform fees in order to get to that $20 profit. And focus on brands and styles that sell consistently. Like for me, the J. Crew men's traveler pant, I pick it up every time I find it at the bins. It's not sexy, it's not glamorous, but friends, it sells like hotcakes in any size. So now you guys are all going to flood the market with them, but I think that's okay. I get between 18 to 30 for them. It just depends on the size, the color, and the fabric content. But it is definitely a baseline bread and butter item that sells consistently for me. Smart sourcing is just as important as smart selling. So make sure you're picking up things with intention. My fifth tip to make money daily is to promote yourself, promote what you're doing, and learn your craft. It might not seem that important, but I am a student of the reselling game. Not only do I make content, but I spend all day while I'm working consuming the content of other resellers. So if you got a reselling channel, drop it down below in the comments so I can come and check you out. And by liking this video and subscribing to me, it's going to feed you other reselling content. So make sure you do that. But I've become a student of the craft, and that has helped me become a better reseller, whether it be on Poshmark, eBay, or the What Now app. There is plenty to learn about brands, style aesthetics, shipping, the latest and greatest, and just keeping up on this ever-evolving business. Now remember, before I close, I want to leave you with these 5 questions that you should ask yourself daily. Did I list today? At least one thing. I will crawl out of my sick bed to list. I will list on a cruise ship. I will list, and if you don't have time to list, at least do drafts on eBay, scheduled listings so that they will shoot out even when you are not actually on your computer. I also schedule out drafts up to a week in advance. Did I send offers today? Did I check for offers and, go back and forth with the customers, engage on the platform? Did I relist an old inventory item? Go and check your closet. There's always something that could be delisted and relisted as a new listing to put fresh eyes on it. Am I sourcing intentionally? Or am I just like bored and going through thrift stores collecting more items that I haven't listed? By doing that, by creating that death pile, you are tying up the cash flow of your business, and you want to keep the cash flow going by listing daily so that you can sell things daily. And did I grow as a reseller, and am I marketing my business? And by marketing my business, that could be promoting listings or sharing your closet or telling people what you do, but also jumping into a reselling community and putting yourself out there as a reseller. Even if you're not selling anything, going in people's whatnot shows and seeing what's selling, that is growing you and your business each and every day. So become a student of the craft so that you can learn and grow. These 5 habits have created momentum in my reselling business and have allowed me to go over 400 days without a zero sales day. And they help me generate sales consistently. Let me know what you would add to the list in the comments down below and how many days it has been since your last zero sales day. And if you love reselling content and want to grow your reselling business, make sure you give me a follow, a thumbs up, subscribe, do all of the things. And if you have time, join me on TikTok or Facebook 9 to 10 daily. That's Eastern Standard Time for Reseller Real Talk. I would love to continue the conversation either down in the comments or tomorrow live. See you soon.
Hustle hard, stacking green, living out the dream. From clothes and kicks, we